studio. Today I am going to explain you one of the important thing that you need to look after it while going over your home construction. Here we have taken care of all the necessary waterproofing works for all the bathrooms. We have completed the waterproofing checks as well. Later on, while installing the tiles, the main things that you need to really take care of are all these points. Here, before starting with the tiles work, we need to carry out the leveling works for each floor. Once the leveling works is properly taken care, that proper tube level is transferred to the bathrooms so that all the levels of the floor are at the same level. But at the bathroom, we are going to provide slopes, so we need to transfer the proper tube level of that particular story towards the bathroom. Once this leveling work is properly taken care, we can achieve the slopes very easily. Let me show you the one. This is a bathroom of size 5 feet 6 inches by 9 feet. We have uh, planned this bathroom in dry area and wet area. Here we have provided the wet area or shower area that is around 40 inches. Next to it we have a commode area, then wash basin area. We'll get a tabletop sink over there. Here we have planned a wall hung commode. We have installed the full frame hybrid concealed flush tank. It is completely installed properly and the ledge wall has been completed. After these things, once the proper leveling work is properly taken care, you can see here there is a nanny trap here and one more trap. Here we are going to provide 2 feet shower drains. Actually, that is a 2 feet SS shower drain. It's one of the trending shower drain. So we have planned accordingly. 2 feet shower drain has been planned here. So wherever the drains are provided, we need to provide a proper slope there. So in order to, if the water has spilled there, it should properly go to the drain. If the water has spilled here, it should properly go towards that drain. So in such a way that we need to take care of this plastering or cement mortar work. For this to achieve, we need to transfer the proper tube levels. So once the proper tube level is transferred, based on that particular tube level, we are going to provide the proper slopes towards the drains. Once this is properly taken care, you can have this plastering work or cement mortar works properly done. Since we are planned 2x4 matte finished tiles for this flooring, we are going to provide this. We are going to install these tiles with the proper adhesive. While using 2x4 tiles, you need to really take care of the proper joints. All the joints of the tiles should be at the proper levels. So to make sure that, to ensure that one, we need to provide 3 mm spacer. But it is very easy to achieve slopes in 16 inch by 16 inch. It will difficult for us to achieve proper slope and leveling in 2x4 vitrified tiles. So in order to achieve that proper slope and leveling, we need to use 3 mm spacing. Not only the spacing, we need to use the leveling clip. Let me show you the type of the leveling clip here. Here you can see this is the clip based mechanism that we must use for the 2x4 tiles so that you can achieve the proper leveling and proper slope can be achieved. In case of 16 inch by 16 inch, 3 mm spacer, now regular spacer, you can use this spacer as well. But when you are using for the 2x4, you must prefer these things to achieve the proper leveling and the proper slope. So it's one of the tool that we need to make sure that using these kind of tools, we can achieve the proper leveling and slope. Let me show you one of the bathroom that where we have done. You can see here. This is the clip. You see here, it is the clip based mechanism. It should be properly installed, and all the levels of this in between the flooring, it can be achieved at the same levels. So once it is properly set, you can remove this kind of clip. You can throw it, but you can reuse this clip. So you need to take care of all this kind of advanced tools to achieve the proper leveling. Let me show you one of the finished flooring level. Here you can see here we have planned matte black and matte white finished tiles in a pattern. That thing, this matte black is completely run in this L shape, and again it will come in this way. So this bathroom is completely divided into 3 parts. Two of the parts are completely divided as a white portion, and one of the middle strip portion, we can say, it has a dark. So in this kind of designs, these joints should be properly leveled. All these four tiles combines here, so this point should be properly leveled so that the water will be flowing properly. In case of any misleveling of these tiles, water might stagnate over there. So that in order to avoid that kind of issues, always use these kind of clips. You can see here proper leveling, and you can see here proper leveling and proper slope can be maintained by using this kind of clips and leveling tools. Here you can see in this bathroom we have used 16 inch by 16 inch size tiles. It is very easy to achieve good slope when the tile sizes are very small. If we are using 2 by 4 sizes of the tiles, it is a little difficult for us to achieve the better slope, so that the water will not stand here or water will not be in the same position, it will flow directly towards the drain. It is very easy for us to achieve the good slope in when we are 16 by 16. Always provide 3 mm spacer. Here we have utilized normal spacer fit for the 16 by 16 tiles. After the installation of the tiles, we will fill this 3 mm space with epoxy grouting, so that even though we have taken care of the waterproof below this thing, it will be additional one more safety thing that we can use the epoxy so that the bottom will be waterproof. So make use of this kind of clips and leveling tools so that your home, your dream home will be built very properly. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos for your home construction. Thank you.